A lot of people ask about, well, what should be in an executive dashboard? So we think about all these reports that SEOs are creating, and when we go into an organization and take a look at what they're doing to audit it, what we find is they're sending the same report to everybody that they should be using. It has far more data than the other people really need. So let's talk for a couple minutes about various dashboards. What are the kinds of dashboards you would recommend an SEO consider, and what would they contain?
Yeah, I think again it's, who are you showing it to, and what do they really need to know, as you say. And again, limiting is always better than putting too much. A huge dashboard with a lot of numbers, people are just going to be confused. And I really think that what you need to do is make sure that you're not confusing people. Confusing in the sense that it's too much information and that it's not actually correct information, because you can show percentage, or you can show increase, but that increase might come from somewhere else, or if you look at the trend, it's not actually a big increase, it's a small increase, etc., etc. So what we really do is we try to limit the information to be as accurate as possible, so when we see an increase we actually know that it is pure organic search traffic. It doesn't come from editorial search and things like that. So what we do look is really referral data, and then we try to compare it to a benchmark, be that using whatever source you feel most reliable with.
And are there specific reports you would recommend being passed on to the executive? Specific KPIs, anything like that?
The only one that we actually pass on to really top level executives at Yahoo is just a very simple dashboard where we have taken the top tier properties of Yahoo as seen by the company, and we show the trend of those ones. We just show month to month and year to year, and then we have compared that to a benchmark. That's the only thing. So that's really a snapshot, not showing all the properties. There's over 30 at Yahoo. To give them kind of a sense of how we're doing. So that's how we choose them to do it.
And so it's really just a list of the properties so they can compare year over year and each property to each other in terms of growth and progression.
Yes.
So in doing that, are you reporting on visits, revenue? What are the things you'd recommend be sent up?
We only present visits, basically because we're looking to add more information, but we only look into visits and how we're doing towards the goals we've set. That's the way that we're currently using.